Today I'm going to be performing a diamond glow facial on one of my returning clients. So let's go ahead and get into it. Starting this facial with the pomegranate antioxidant cleanser. The highlighted ingredients are aloe, jojoba, and grapeseed. This is a milk to gel cleanser, so it doesn't get real soapy. Even a lather may be rare with this cleanser, but it is super gentle and moisturizing to the skin, which is plenty of reasons to love it. Once I bring in my sponges, you can kind of tell that the cleanser is immediately soaked up by the sponges, which is perfectly fine because I did work it into her skin for a great amount of time with my fingertips. So I'm just now going to clean this up and get ready for the green tea cleanser. Using this green tea cleanser, this is going to be a lot more obvious that you can get a lather, a nice gentle cleanse. Once again, this cleanser helps to brighten the skin and just simply do a really good cleansing. This is by far the most popular cleanser that is retailed in my spa. That first hot towel is probably one of the best, and the last one is very bittersweet. So I'm going to make sure all of the cleanser is removed from her skin and make sure that her skin is nice and dry in preparation for the microderm. So one small difference, but major at the same time, that I've since stopped doing recently, I was using the 70% alcohol to dehydrate the skin and prep it for the microderm. I have since stopped doing that. Not to say that I will completely stop doing it for even future clients or some existing clients who have extremely oily skin, but I've just maneuvered the way that I've kind of placed or work my products into their skin. So I just wanted to mention that to everyone, just in case someone was curious about why I maybe wasn't doing that anymore. So I'm just going to thoroughly microderm her face, and during this process you do see the difference in her skin that is exfoliated versus the skin that is not exfoliated. If y'all have any questions, y'all know what to do and where to leave them down in the comment section, and I'll try my best to answer everyone's questions. Getting into these enzymes, I'm going to mix the coconut papaya enzyme with the dark chocolate mint mask, and I mix these two because My client does have an allergy to peanuts and a lot of other tree nuts, so I wouldn't be able to mix it with the winter mint mask, as that has an ingredient that she is allergic to. So I mixed these two, and after the microderm, the skin is obviously extremely exfoliated and, somewhat exposed. So the skin is more sensitive to these enzymes and products moving forward. So I don't want to cause any irritations, any burns, or anything such. So that's why I mixed these two products together. And the coconut papaya enzyme is one of the most gentle, if not the most gentle enzyme that I have. I complimented my client today on her skin because I was like, girl, your skin is looking really, really good. She never truly had like full-blown acne, but she would have a couple breakouts here and there. And I'm like, okay, let's try to get these under control. But she has really been coming in for her monthly treatments, and it is truly paying off. I'm so proud of her. And we didn't really have many extractions. We had a couple here and there on the forehead. The nose was the only congested area that I really had to put, some push into to get the extractions out of the skin. But that was pretty much it. Using this cucumber toner, which is also my #1 toner that is in my retail, this is going to hydrate her skin nicely with the heavy water and the hyaluronic acid. Now this is a cocktail mask that I'm going to be applying to her skin that is going to consist of the Ageless Skin Hydrating Serum and the Image Ormetic Balancing Gel Mask. These two products together are going to moisturize her skin, hydrate her skin, and keep the skin calm. The two Hydrogelly SD Max masks that I mixed together was the hyaluronic acid and the intensive aftercare mask. I think it's pretty obvious with all of my choice of products. Before this microderm, after this microderm, everything is about hydration, moisturizing, and putting back into her skin. That bittersweet last hot towel, I'm going to make sure that any residue from the Hydrogelly mask is removed from her skin. Using the Image Clear Cell Repairing Acne Spot Treatment, I'm going to put this on select areas on her skin where I see maybe a small bump healing, or maybe a new area trying to act like it may want to break out. We want to stop those in their tracks before they try to grow or become anything bigger. Back to the Ageless Skin Hydrating Serum. This is going to be applied all over to her skin for maximum hydration. The moisturizer of choice, I'm going to go in with the Image Skincare Clear Cell Clarifying Repair Cream. This is a nice moisturizer with a small percentage of salicylic acid. And on top of it all, no daytime facial is complete without SPF. Today I'm going to be using the Image Skincare Prevention Plus Daily Matte Moisturizer, which is oil-free. I never forget the lips. This is Image Ormetic Lip Balancing Complex, which everyone loves and sells through the roof once again on my retail shelves. I hope everyone enjoyed this treatment. If you are looking forward to another treatment, let me know down in the comments and I will see what I can do. See you guys later.